morning started out good, and then we found this. 3 breakers tripped in our lighting panel. And everything's powered up in our relay box. But if you look into the heavens above, there is no grace falling on us. And it all started when they turned these lights on in the morning, which left us watching helplessly from down below as the fire started raging at this connector. You see, over time, the plastic in these connectors gets very brittle and it starts to short the conductors. This one is definitely the problem child. I could see multiple issues going on internally inside this metal box. It looks like the fire started inside of this metal housing and it was flowing right outside of here and coming out. So something internally is definitely short. We've had a couple issues with these connectors so far. I don't like them at all. The date on these connectors said they were installed in 2005. It's 20 years later and they're all starting to fail. These connectors basically act as a quick disconnect junction box. So for today, until we come up with a plan B, I'm just gonna put a junction box. So here's what today's quick repair is gonna look like. Junction box cover plate, strain relief for the SO core, 2 beam clamps to mount our junction box, and 2 MC clamp quick connectors for 1/2-inch knockouts, and a lot of nuts. I love the smell of burnt electrical in the morning. So first we want to securely mount our junction box. Then we install our grounding pigtail. Then I install my 2 beam clamps within 12 inches of the junction to hold my MC cable. So now that all my connectors are in, first thing I'm gonna do is wire my grounds and my neutrals. Now it's time to check for shorts. So with 1 probe to ground, it's time to start hitting wires. So we tested all wires to ground and to the neutral, no shorts. And as you can see, all our lighting came back online. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what they wanna do about this. And I will see you guys on the next time. Stay safe out there.